How to find safe browsing on your Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find safe browsing on your Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook and here click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. And now click on the second option, which is passwords and security. And here you can scroll down until you find safe browsing, and this is it. This is your safe browsing. You can turn on or off whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.